Hi, I'm Jim. I'm with Thrifting and Collecting, and today we're going to be doing some underwater metal detecting with the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4. So the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 can actually metal detect underwater. You just want to make sure that you only are submerging the pole and the coil and not the box itself. In addition, this is a very cheap sand scoop that I use, but you want to make sure that you have something so you can scoop out what's underneath it, because you can't really look too much at the bottom while you're working on it. This area where we are is really shallow, so I'm able to get in there and it's barely up to my knees, and I'm just going to dip the pole in and search around, and then when it beeps, I'm going to try to dig it out with the scoop. So we found something, so we're going to dig. One thing that becomes difficult is as you dig around, you're going to disturb sediment, and then you won't be able to see what you're actually digging. So you just have to go by feel. Alright, so every time I bring a scoop up, I check it to see if the item is in there with my metal detector. In this case it looks like it is, so we'll just see what's in here. Hopefully it's something good. Check again. Alright, well unfortunately that was a pull tab, but you can kind of see what the process is. And definitely helps to have a bigger scoop, because the bigger the scoop you have, the more likely you are to capture the item every time you scoop. Alright, well we got another full scoop. Let's see what's in there. Looks like a penny. $19.80 something. Well, here are the finds for the day. A whole bunch of pennies. We've got some memorial backs, a few shield back ones, nothing super old like wheat pennies or Indian heads. Got 2 quarters, a dime, a nickel, neither of those are old either. A shotgun shell, and then this is like a snap off of like a FootJoy thing. And the best find was this wedding ring. It's a men's wedding ring, and it is a JVL tungsten, so pretty cool finds. Alright everybody, well thanks for watching my video. If you guys like what you see, please click like and subscribe, and thanks everyone for watching.